Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to scrapbook a 2-page winter layout, and I have a pine cone theme and snowflake theme. As you can see, these are my icy photos. There was a storm on the river and the wind just blew the water up, and it caked the trees. This is a collapsed tree with like 6 inches of ice on it. It was wild, never seen anything like it. So I was looking forward to scrapbooking these photos. They're so interesting. Anyway, the paper I'm using, I can't find the pad that this was in. I'm sorry, I don't know what it was, but these others are from this one. They're from Vitamin C, Creative Memories Vitamin C Collection. It's a designer paper pack, and that's it there. I think that background is the other one. Okay, so just picked some random papers from my stash, I guess, as well. So to begin with, I decided to do a triple border on this page. I'm going to do the bottom, then a medium size, a large, medium, and they're progressing in color as well, getting darker as I go up. So there's that side, and I have done the same thing for this side. So I'm not going to glue things. It takes too long to get through the videos. So there's that. Now, these icicles are from the Creative Memories Border Punch. I used it in the last video, so I showed how I used that. I love it. It's perfect for my wintry pages. And I'm doing a Christmas album next, so that will be, I'll get to use it there too. It's good when you get tools that you use a lot. Alright, so next I found this image of a branch. I decided to go with some pine cones because of the color of this paper. I wanted some earthy tones, so I went with a pine cone theme. And I found this image in Cricut Design Space in 50 states. I think this is for Maine. So I'm doing this image here, like that. And then I'm doing a repeat, something very similar. I cut that out again, and I'm doing it here with pine cones. This is a different image. I think it's from Season to Sparkle. So now I'm going to add another pine cone to that, and I put it on lifters. I actually embossed these pine cones. I don't know if you can tell or see that. But I embossed it with this animal print embossing folder. I've used this a lot. It's good for berries. I've also used it for, well, pine cones, raspberries, strawberries, animals, fish, turtles, all kinds of things. It's a great embossing folder. I used it a lot. Okay, I am going to fit a photo here, and I'm putting another one up here, this tall one, up there. I also have another branch. I'll post below where these images come from in Design Space, and then when I post this to my website, there will be a Design Space link for this page there, so you will be able to you'll be able to copy the page if you like it. Shoot, there. Okay, that's good. these will be close together when I glued it. Now I also found a title, or I made one with a font, and so I typed out ice. I picked Ice Storm. I picked out a font that was from Kerning Fonts, available in Design Space. And that means the letters can be squished together to look like script. And so I did that, and then I shadowed them in white with the new offset in Cricut Design Space. You can shadow anything now. It's amazing. I think I shadowed these as well with the offset. So I shadowed the two words with white, and then I put them together, grouped it, and then I shadowed the whole title with again with blue. So I love, and then I embossed the whole thing with this snowflake embossing folder. I hope you can see that. So that is my title, is going up there. So the next thing I did was some snowflakes. Since I have some all on the background, I wanted to put some around this title. So I'm putting one there and there. I also did one to go on top of a smaller one, and then I used a snowflake punch. This is a Martha Stewart corner punch. So I used that to make this, and then I'm going to lift it, so I put a foam dot behind, and I added these gems. I added those gems to a lot of the snowflakes in this that I'm using for this page. They're just from the dollar store, a pack like that. So then I have another snowflake, a larger one, to put on this side. And then I'm going to, because there's big sky space here, I'm going to put two snowflakes that I cut out of the craft paper. And then I put the gems on there, the pearls. And I did two more for that photo right there. So I hope you like this winter page. It could be for winter sports with a different title, or any winter scene. So I hope I'm giving you ideas for your own scrap pages. Thanks for watching, and happy scrapping. Bye.